and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. In today's video, guys, we are going to be doing an unboxing. I am so excited about this, and I really wanted to open this box up first and then do kind of like a bag reveal, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna show you guys my reaction to this particular bag. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I purchased this bag off of Mercari. Yeah, off of Mercari. I saw this particular bag on Mono's Beauty first, and then I saw it again on DJ King's channel. And when I saw this bag, I knew I had to have it. It was everything that I love in a bag. So I was like, yep, I had to get it. So what I did was, I couldn't purchase this off of the actual website. So I had to buy it secondhand. So I went on the hunt for the bag. I found the bag, and everybody wanted this bag for a ridiculous price. So I was like, okay, I'm going to have to just keep hunting for this bag until I find it at a reasonable price. And I finally found it at a reasonable price, y'all. And I added it to cart. But instead of checking out, I waited a day to make sure that I really wanted to get this bag. I looked it over and I was like, yep. Next day I checked out because the price was amazing. I didn't have to talk the seller down or anything. So y'all, I am super excited but nervous at the same time. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is how the box came. Oh, you guys just saw me open it up. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Y'all, please let this bag be in good condition. Alright, so tissue paper. Y'all, so far it looks good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me move the box out of the way. Okay. So y'all, I do see some white spots on here. The corners do look good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like some white spots right here. There's a little bit here, if you guys can see that. And then there's some right here on the side. I'm not sure what that is, but I am going to try to clean this with some leather cleaner. There's a little spot right there as well too. That's what the bottom looks like. It has feet on the bottom. It has the dual handles on the top. The hardware is in gold. It has Michael Kors here on the front. I love the details on the front with the buckles. I think that is so cute. It is a magnetic closure. This is the inside. Yeah, so it has like this white stuff around the rim as well too on the front of the bag and the inside. I'll bring it up close in just a second so you guys can see it. But other than that, the inside looks really clean. So I don't have to worry about cleaning out the inside or anything. So I'm glad about that. So it does come with 3 slip pockets in the front, and then 3 additional slip pockets right below it. It does come with the tag in it, so that is the tag for the bag. This is the Michael Kors Bedford Legacy large grab tote, and it is leather, and the color is luggage. And the original retail price for this bag is $358. And guys, I paid $40 for this bag. Yes, I said it, $40. So if all I have to do is wipe off these little white things or condition this bag and this white stuff comes off, Y'all, this was an amazing deal. Absolutely love this bag. The back wall does come with a zip and slip as well too. So here is the zipper compartment. You get your Michael Kors patch on the back zipper, and then you also get 2 additional slip pockets here, and you also get your key ring as well too. This is a gorgeous bag, y'all. I absolutely love it. And what I really love about the bag is it can cinch in. Guys, I did not see her put that on here, but do y'all see that? The part that it connects to cinch the bag in is missing. Y'all, no. This is why she probably sold the bag for $40. I did not see that in the description. Oh my gosh. Y'all, your girl is feeling some kind of way right now. I mean, I can still cinch it like this, but I'm feeling some kind of way. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, I'm kind of sad right now. Your girl is sad. Just why? I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Should I still keep this? I mean, it still gives me the cinch look that I am looking for. But y'all, I'm mad that it's missing. I'm going to have to go back and read that. Because, and when I looked at the pictures, I didn't see that either. Oh, I'm sad right now. I really am. I feel some kind of way. I mean, I did spend $40 on it. So, I mean, it's not like I can't use the bag. But now I feel some kind of way. Maybe I could take this to my Michael Kors outlet and ask them if it's something they could fix. If not, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I may or may not keep it. I will definitely update you guys and let you know if I decided to keep this particular bag. But yeah, this is the Michael Kors Bedford Legacy Grab Tote in the color luggage. It is the large. Y'all, this is a very beautiful bag. I absolutely love it. I don't know. I'm going to try to condition it and clean it up. And then I will give you guys an update as to whether or not I decide to keep this bag or if I'm going to send it back. But I just wanted to share my unboxing with you guys. This was a bag that I did have on my wish list last year. So I am excited that I did find the bag. Alright guys, so this bag is not available on the site. If you guys are interested in this bag, they do have it. I don't know, Michael Kors, if y'all are watching, please bring this bag back. Please bring it back. It is an absolutely gorgeous bag, and it's a beautiful tote bag. It has all the features on it that I love. It has the feet, the top handles, it cinches in. It's a tote bag. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure, if you're not already subscribed, to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to like this video. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you guys in my next video.